This is your cruise news today in under 2 minutes. First up, the Trump administration has detained and deported 22 Filipino cruise workers from a Carnival cruise ship that departs out of Norfolk, Virginia. Now, the Filipino crew workers all complained in a joint statement that they were given no evidence of any charges, that they were told that they were being deported for child pornography reasons, which they deny, and they were not charged with any crime in the U.S. They were simply deported and told they could not return for 10 years, and the visas which they had obtained legally were revoked. This seems to be part of a larger and ongoing operation by the U.S. government, which has deported over 100 cruise ship workers this year so far. Advocates for these workers recently deported claim that they were here legally and that they were deported without given any reason or justification. What do you think about this? Comment below. Next up, we have a boatload of passengers stranded in Miami because the Celebrity Beyond canceled its sailing this week. Now, they were having propulsion issues, which they did notify people about ahead of time, claiming that their sailing would be delayed by 1 day, but in the end it got canceled. Passengers were offered a 100% refund of their cruise fare, plus a 100% future cruise credit. So that's not a bad deal, except they were probably out transportation and hotel expenses, which Celebrity did offer to reimburse up to $250 for one night stay in a hotel and up to $400 per person for air travel expenses. Let us know if you think that compensation was sufficient, and stay up to date on all the latest cruise news, tips, and tricks right here on our channel.